Good day, everyone. On behalf of Innovatech Corporation, I warmly welcome you to our online webinar entitled Future Unfolded Exploring Emerging Technologies happening today, May 14, 2025, live via Google Meet. So, we're thrilled to have you all join us as we dive into the world of cutting edge innovation and future forward solutions that are rapidly reshaping our industries and daily lives. So, today's session is all about opening minds and unlocking possibilities. So, sit back, get ready to learn, and most importantly, be part of the revolution. Once again, welcome to Future Unfolded Exploring Emerging. Um, so here we have the great lineup of speakers who will walk you through exciting topics from the rise of smart devices to immersive digital experiences, the fifth industrial revolution, and of course the IoT. They will soon introduce themselves and what topic they will be discussing. So, before we officially dive into our session, let me quickly go over a few housekeeping guidelines to ensure a smooth and productive experience for everyone. So the first bullet, please mute your microphone while others are speaking. Drop your questions in the chat. We'll address them in a Q&A portion. And the last recording link and the materials will be shared after this session. Okay. I have here the agenda. So before we begin, let me walk you through the agenda for today's inline webinar to give you a clear idea of what to expect. So the first topic will be the emerging technologies overview and areas. Second, the PIP industrial revolution and the evolution of 5G. The third will be the technology in industry and the AR or VR. And of course, the last one will be the Internet of Things. So, I think every viewers and expected listeners are already here. So make sure you stay tuned until the end. We'll be sharing some key takeaways and a chance to answer your burning questions about the topics. So our first topic will be about the emerging technologies overview and areas. So let's kick things off with Ayesame Cantoria who will help us understand what emerging technologies really mean. So Miss Ayesha, the floor is yours.
Okay, thank you. So, good day everyone once again. Thank you for joining this webinar. Let's introduce myself. My name is Ayesame Alcantoria. I have many hobbies, but about IT learnings is I always number one fan for that. So, our topic is overview and areas of emerging technologies. For overview of emerging technologies. This is an information technologies domain of term emerging technologies has a different mean of different people. Changing that emerging technologies has a new technology currently developing of it. So developing of over the next 5 to 10 years. For example, artificial intelligence has first developed in 1970s, but up to date, this is still considered as emerging technologies because this is a development still processing and is embedded in various research areas. Of course, this is emerging technologies have a five characteristic. So, five characteristic of emerging technology. First is radical novelty. This novelty of newness can also are generated by putting existing technologies to a new use. Emergent technology may take the form of processing technology. For example, they fulfill a given function by using a different basic principle as compared to what a previous technology used to achieve a similar purposes. For the second is relatively fast growth. These emerging technologies shows of actively fast growth rates. Growth may be observed across a number of dimensions, such as a number of actors involved, public and private funding, knowledge output produced, prototypes, product, and services. For example, users of intelligence are growing. Various companies, universities, and individuals. For the third characteristic is coherence. This is a conver- convergence of previously separate research streams that its persistence over time distinguish technologies that have acquired a certain identify and momentum from those still in a state of flux and therefore not yet emerging. For example, cloud, artificial intelligence, data analytics, and robotics are grouped to achieve different use. And for fourth characteristic is prominent impact. This is a emergent technologies provides benefits for a wide range of sectors. It applies a noticeable impact with narrow scope as well as wide-ranging impact across domains. For example, provides a prominent impact in enormous changes in different sectors such as businesses, academic, healthcare, and individual around the world. And for the last characteristic is uncertainty and ambiguity, that the prominent impact of emerging technologies lies somewhere in the knowledge of the emergence possible outcomes is incomplete. For example, there are various applications or uses of artificial intelligence that some people can predict, but this application may or may not be successfully developed. For the next topic is we have areas of emerging technologies. According of World Economic Forum, the following areas of emerging technologies have the potential of altering deep-rooted practices of industries in the future. Of course, we have types of areas of emerging technologies. We have AR, machine learning, quantum computers. First, we discuss about what is a AR, for also called augmented reality. This is a combines real and computer-based scenes and images to deliver a unified but enhanced view of the world. There are various applications of AR, such as car display with guides to help the driver and reverse park safely. Games such as a Pokemon Go, an application that helps shoppers view how piece of furniture or your like bags will look in their living room before buying it. So, for the second is artificial intelligence or also called AI. AI. This is a processes include learning, reasonings, and self-corrections. And the next is machine learning. This is application of AI that provides a machine for ability to learn from experience like human. This is use of various applications such as healthcare, financial, and marketing services, and transportation. For example, machine learning algorithm will be applied to identify and develop new medicine at rapid pace. And for the last one is quantum computer. This is a quantum computer use qubit as their basic unit of computation. Qubit is analogous to a standard bit, 0 or 1, but it is a quantum superposition between two computational quantum states. So that's all. Thank you for the listening for our topic.
All right. Thank you, Ayesa. That was very insightful. So, emerging technologies are innovative tools and systems that are still developing, but sure, they have the potential to significantly impact our industries, economies, and societies. So, these technologies are really shaping the future by introducing faster, smarter, and more efficient solutions across various fields. So, all right, now we'll take a few questions from our audience. You can now drop your questions on our chat box below. Don't hesitate to comment, and the speakers will try to answer all of that. All right, Miss Ayesa, you can take a look of our chat box and try to answer all of that question.
What is the difference between an emergent tech and disruptive tech? So thank you for that wonderful question. So the emerging technologies are the innovation that are still in early stages of development or adoption and have the potential to create significant impact. While disruptive technologies are those that actually reshape or replace existing industries, markets, or systems, but not all emerging tech become disruptive, but all disruptive tech start as emerging. That's all.
All right, I think there's more on our chat box. Okay, Mr.
Oh, so which of the emerging areas do you personally think this is most underrated? Mm, for that, one of the most underrated emerging areas is bioelectronics, a field that merges biology and electronics to develop smart implants, neural interfaces, and a real-time health monitoring dispense is potential to revolutionize personalized medicine and chronic disease treatment. It hasn't received the widespread attention it deserves. That's all.
Yeah, for me too. Bioelectric would be the one so hard to develop nowadays. Even it's we're advanced in technology, I think that would be bioelectronics too. So all right, I think that would be enough for this section. Stay tuned as we proceed on the next topic. Okay. Are you still there? Are you still kicking off? Okay. Uh, okay. Up next will be Labjoy Etable, who will diving into the fifth industrial revolution and how 5G is evolving our digital infrastructure. So let's warm up on this question. What's the biggest impact you've seen or felt so far from 5G? Faster streaming, smart cities, or remote works? All right, no need to answer that because Miss Itable will tackle that question. So Miss Itable, the floor is yours.
Hi everyone, I'm really glad you could join me today. I know we are juggling a lot, so thank you for taking the time. Today's topic is something close to my heart about how technology is evolving not just around us but with us. So let me take you on a quick journey through time. So the first industrial revolution, let's think about steam engines and mechanical looms change how we work. The second industrial revolution